Hi guys. You say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, we're back. This is an impromptu, real short video on the assembly of Pizzagna, Talia's original recipe on Cooking with Talia and Papa. So Pizzagna was Talia's idea when she said, can we combine pizza and lasagna? And I said, well, let's think about it, and we did. So what we're gonna have is 3 different layers of pizza toppings and cheeses. And those will be our 3 layers of Pizzagna. All right, so as always, when we make lasagna, let's give it a little coating of sauce in our pan, in our lasagna pan that I already pre-greased a little bit with some olive oil. Okay. And Tal, let's start laying in the first layer of lasagna. This, folks, is a gluten-free, imported from Italy lasagna noodle. It is La Fabbrica della Pasta. It's imported from Italy. And let's get one more on there, Tal, on the end. Okay. It's gluten-free and the noodles are amazing. We've used them already. All right, so the first layer, Tal, I'm gonna have you handle this. Just hold that top for now. The first layer is going to be ricotta with olives and mushrooms, okay? Olives and mushrooms will be our first layer. That's a great pizza topping. Don't we always get black olives on our pizza? Mm-hmm. And sometimes mushrooms?
We barely get mushrooms, but
I like mushrooms.
if Dad orders a pizza, then yeah, it's always mushrooms.
Is it? Ah, then he's gonna like this. Okay, let's get all the ricotta on there.
All of it?
All of it. There's only 1 layer of ricotta, so it all goes on. You want me to spoon and you spread?
I'll do both.
You're gonna do both? Oh, okay. Well, spoon it all on and then spread it. The ricotta mixture is, of course, ricotta cheese plus pecorino romano plus parsley plus black pepper plus salt plus, what else do we put in it? Oh, sauce, of course. We get a little sauce in there, it helps it spread, gives it that nice pink color. Good. Okay, let's spread that out. Okay. That's it. Try to cover the whole thing. Good. This is the hardest layer because of the ricotta. Usually when we make lasagna, we make it all with ricotta. We got to do this 3 times. But we get to do a little mixture this time. Very good. All right. Olives. Black olives, of course. For pizza, you like black olives. Mushrooms.
You're doing it wrong.
I'm doing it wrong? Why?
Because now I'm turning out to be some of the teacher.
Oh, you're the teacher. Okay.
Yeah, I'm the teacher.
All right, that was about time. Okay, good. Next layer will be sausage and provolone. Can you grab the provolone? So let's put the provolone on first. And this is our favorite sausage. This is our hot Italian chicken sausage that we get organic, antibiotic free from Fresh Time. Let's get a couple more in there. You like a lot of cheese.
Do professional.
Yes, get it in there. I want
Now
one
you gotta
more.
make it look good.
Okay.
That's called professional.
Is it? This is going to be loaded. And we might, we might want to put a couple pieces of provolone on top.
Again?
On top of the sausage, like to kind of just hold it in, yeah.
I didn't know on this one.
Okay. Okay, next layer of pasta.
Is it sauce?
Mm-mm. Boy, this is going to be thick because we still have another layer. That's okay. Pepperoni is next, but we're using our special super sada pepperoni. It's spicy that we got down at Penn Mac last week.
This little thing?
No, this big one. That was extra. I thought you might want to snack on it. Okay. Pepperoni. That's it. And we have a little sorrel to go on top of that. So the idea was to get a different topping and a different cheese in each layer of the lasagna.
I'm gonna spread it out a bit so
Okay.
it's not just it's professional like you said.
Yeah, you gotta spread it out nice and smooth and even. Is this side done? I'll start with the cheese. Okay.
Oh. There's a few little bald spots.
Well, don't forget the cheese will melt and it's gonna spread.
Yeah, but pepperoni won't.
The pepperoni won't, you're right. Okay. All right, now, last layer. This is the top layer. Okay, let's get this on. This is going to be thick. Okay, now, Tal, here's what I need you to do with those. I need you to cut those down the middle. This way,
Okay.
okay? Because we're going to put those on the ends. Just one cut on each one. Right down the middle. We're also going to be making some chicken romano and spicy greens. And I have a feeling we probably didn't need anything else but this pizza on it. But we always make more, right?
I think we could have used a sharper knife for this. This is like not even that much going through.
Oh, well, that's okay. You got it. Here. And here. And then that one on the other side. There you go. That's it.
You have to rip that little piece down.
It's okay. That is beautiful. And that's going to go in at 375 for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to take it out, put another layer of pecorino romano on top, and another 10 to 15 minutes. You can snack on those, yeah. And that, folks, is pizzagna. Oh, is that heavy? Feel that, Tal. That's a meal. And of course, we'll show you the finished product. And there you have it, pizzagna. We're gonna get it in the oven for about 30 minutes on 375, and then put some more cheese on top, another 10 to 15 minutes, and it'll be done. Salute. There is a slice of pizzagna with all the layers. Here is a shot of the whole dish. You can see the layers in there as well. Tal, I think we did a pretty good job. What do you think? Looks good?
Yeah.
Buon appetito, everybody.